I'm Ghostface. Are you ready for Halloween?
Entering text generates various scary sounds, which is essential on Halloween. Whether you're a content creator or just love Halloween pranks, generating high-quality spooky sounds has never been easier. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create eerie voices for free. The AI text-to-speech software I use is called VoxDo. It's my top choice because it offers a huge variety of creepy voices, like Ghostface, zombies, witches, and more. And it's totally free. Click on Change Speaker and choose the spooky sound you want to create. For this demo, I'm going with the witch. Type in the text you want to transform, and on the right side, you'll see options to adjust the sound parameters or add pauses for a more dramatic effect. Finally, click Generate.
This is the voice of the witch. Trick or treat on Halloween.
How realistic does that sound? I've already saved a few of my favorite scary voices. And trust me, VoxDo has plenty more to choose from. And it's not just about horror sounds. VoxDo also has a range of voices including real people, celebrities, cartoons, and much more. With over 100 languages and accents to choose from, you'll find the perfect fit no matter where you're from. In fact, the audio you're hearing in this video was generated using VoxDo. If you're also adding scary voices to your own videos, you can get VoxDo right below the video. Happy Halloween to all!